This is your guy, John Neal Jr., also known as your professor. How are you? I hope that you're fine. And hopefully after this session, you'll be a little bit better. But today I want to talk to you about landing your dream job. Have you ever thought about how some people get these awesome jobs and you're sitting there like, wow, I've been struggling, I've been working so hard, but I don't understand why they have a career and I don't. Well, I'm going to give you some basic principles in less than 5 minutes to where you can land your dream job. Find out what you want to do. It is so important to be clear in terms of what you want as a dream job. You got to research these companies. If you don't research these companies, you're not going to find the exact job that you really want. And a lot of people go into this looking for just random jobs, and that's why they're not happy. Are you happy with your current situation? Are you happy with your job? I can't answer that, but I know that you can. Next, you want to look at their mission and their vision statement. Why? Because you want to make sure that their company goals and their company vision aligns with your personal value. If it doesn't align with your personal value, then chances are you're not going to stay there. And then you're going to be jumping from job to job. Is this job a particular match once you've discovered if your values align with theirs? Well, chances are it could be. And if it is, guess what's the next step? You proceed. Yes, you proceed in filling out your application. But don't jump to the gun, because you will need a resume or CV. I prefer to do a CV, and if you need help with that, go to your local junior college or university and ask for help. And if that doesn't work out for you, find an expert that can help you in this particular area. If they charge you, remember, it is worth the charge. Why? Because if you pay $100 or $200 to get your CV or resume up to par and you land your dream job as a result, hey, it ends up being a good investment, right? Absolutely. What about the employment department? They offer free help and also they have workshops. So chances are if you call them, you'll get an opportunity to come in, make an appointment, or go to a workshop, and they'll walk you through the process in terms of how to do a resume or CV. Then you want to apply for a position. Apply for the right position. And make sure you tailor your CV or resume to the job. And in doing that, you want to make sure that it's perfectly aligned. The reason why I'm telling you this is because they have a point system. And they're going to look for keywords as they look at your CV and resume. And if it doesn't align, chances are you will never get an interview. After about a week or 5 business days, you want to make a phone call and send an email. Be very brief and descriptive in your email and make sure you make a follow-up call. And also, you got to make sure you contact the right individual. Once you do that, you're on your way to landing your dream job. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, if you do these things, I promise you these principles will lead you to your dream job. But remember, dress to impress, dress for success, and please make sure your personal hygiene is up to par. I really appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in to this session. Please come back and look for more. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your guy, John Neal Jr., also known as your professor.